Abhishek Banerjee, Beliau National General Secretary Jongka Seng Trinamool Congress, ke Arpu Khandai Tarik Upanai Jeli Warajar Arpuar, Ulawan Ban Kam Ribon, Kum Kedak Jongka Jingpli Yak Office Trikam Jongka Seng, Ha Meghalaya, Hanong Ba Shillong, Kabadon Halawar Lachmir. Ha ka Jingpli Kap Ribon, Lasen Ran Lang Dau Dr. Mukul Sangma, Ubadiu Nongilam Jongka Liang Pyrshah, Nang Tau Ba Charles Pengrup, Bat Kiwi Kidikot Jongka Seng, Kepalairan Lang Hakane Kesengi. Hadin ke Jingpli Yak Office Trikam Jongka Seng, Lapan Long ke Jingyalang Pajba, Ha Sosutam, Auditorium Kepala Peniat Dakiti Kinongilam. Yau Abhishek Banerjee, Beliau National General Secretary Jongka Seng All India Trinamool Congress, La Sendran Lang Dau Presiden Jongka Jala Meghalaya, Ba Charles Pengrup, Kidikot Jongka Liang Pyrshah, Kibakentup Yau Dr. Mukul Sangma, Nang Tau Dr. Manas Rajan Bhunia, Ubadiu In Charge Jongka AITC Ha Meghalaya. Nagaliang Jong Abhishek Banerjee, Beliau National General Secretary ka All India Trinamool Congress, haka jingi kendu lang bat kilat pathai kubor hadin ka jingi lang, ulai tu ba ka All India Trinamool Congress kan lej Nongiakhun election habaro hendru pautli kisit Jongka Jala Meghalaya, House Name Harjar Ar Pulai. Ulongru balada ka Trinamool Congress kan yo bonsit Hajala Meghalaya, balada kan yo bantau sorkar, kan wanra ya shibun ki jengkela nak banta ka jingmentoi jong upajba. Shushu ulai turu bak AITC kadoni katong Nongiakhun Pyrshah ya kejingbam sab hapo Jala Meghalaya ya kebala sensyar dak sorkar MDA kebalalam kemat dau Konrad Kongkal Sangma na ke parti NPP. Bat AITC kadai keseng san pertai ha India kebalala Nongiakhun Pyrshah ya keseng BJP ha kari. Om don shu kiwe keseng san pertai ha India kibala banile Pyrshah ya ke BJP lani ke sorkar NDA balalam kemat dau Narendra Modi. Abhishek Banerjee ula ongru bagi paiba kiri bensung thu bagi seng AITC kamlong kum kiwe kiseng kibaran kejing sensyar na kiwe kijela banlong kejing temu jongki. Henry ke AITC kan sengap bat kan Nongiakhun yek kibaide bat kejing don kam kat kum kejing long jengman jongki jela hapo kari baro kawai kabakan thu buru kum ye kejela Meghalaya bat ke AITC kan day la kejong kamat jing dawa ong Abhishek Banerjee. Today by
system. So this is also the role of the opposition to make the government accountable and show its place. If they do anything wrong, they will be taken to task. So that is the role All India Trinamool Congress is playing. And like I said, every state is different. So we would leave. It's better that we leave it to the judgment of the people of this state to decide what is best in their interest. Ma'am, I will target all 60 seats. Trinamool Congress will put its entire weight behind the state unit of Meghalaya. We will put our entire vigor and might and blitz to make sure that we are able to contest all 60 seats and emerge victorious in all of them.
Will you have a triple alliance?
It's too early to predict, but we are, as a progressive force, we are open. If some like-minded parties wants to collaborate, I think we are open to that. But again, putting all the speculation to rest, I must tell you that Trinamool Congress is determined to fight all the 60 assembly constituencies in Meghalaya. SC/ST student scholarship will not be reduced. Let her come and say states like Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh, who are topping the charts when it comes to atrocities against ST women and ST community, will have 0 cases next year onwards. Let her come and say, I will open my mouth and not pay heed to what the government or the Prime Minister or the Home Minister thinks, and will act and will not act as a subservient to the government, and will do to take the government, to make the government accountable and make sure that the government operates remaining within the ambits of Constitution. I will work as the true custodian of the Constitution. We will support her. Everything. Wherever the people interests are involved, we will take them head on. And as you rightly pointed, BJP has been talking about this double engine model government, the double engine model of governance. Now NPP is in NDA. The Prime Minister belongs to NDA. The Chief Minister belongs to NDA. We have a BJP government in the center and we have an NDA government in the state. But look at the healthcare facilities, look at the infrastructure, look at the educational system. An abode of clouds has turned into a heaven of corrupts. This is extremely shameful. So we will make sure that we are able to bring back the lost glory of Meghalaya, and every Meghalayans live their life with utmost dignity and respect in the days to come. Together and collaborate in the larger interest of the state, this kind of thing becomes inconsequential and irrelevant. BJP had used so much amount of money in Bengal elections, you all have seen, to create a media hype, to create a momentum, to create attraction in their favor, which was not at all organic. So money helps you to some extent, but it's not enough to win the confidence of the people. In a democracy, people are the last word. They're using money, they're using unethical way, they're indulging into unethical horse trading every now and then. We are also seeing what's happening in states like Maharashtra, what happened in states like Madhya Pradesh, what happened in states like Goa before the last election. And this has been their trademark. So they want to use money, we want to go to the people and let people decide whether they want to choose money power or whether they want to choose the manpower.